This due diligence report provides a high-level overview of NXTT Holding NXTT as part of my ongoing series on microcap stocks. This report is not a buy or sell recommendation. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Do your own research or consult with an investment professional before making any decisions. NXTT Holding was formerly known as Wettrade Group, a software development company offering AI-enabled SaaS solutions. The company is headquartered in Shenzhen, China, with additional offices in the US, Hong Kong, and Singapore. In addition to SaaS, NXTT now holds Bitcoin and positions itself as both a tech and digital asset company. NXTT's financials are dominated by Bitcoin gains and losses. On a trailing 12-month basis, the company has $1.8 million in revenue, $320.9 million in net income, $1.07 million in gross profit, and $1.12 million in operating expenses. Cash flow and liquidity ratios are not available from public sources. From a valuation perspective, NXTT has a P/E ratio of 0.06 to 0.3, APB ratio of 0.12 to 0.28, and APS ratio over 36 times. Using peer averages from FinViz, the P/E is 0.06 to 0.3 versus a peer average of 11.5. NXTT holds 5,833 Bitcoin, purchased at $183 million and valued at $481.7 million as of March 31st. Future growth will be largely tied to Bitcoin's performance. Bitcoin price volatility exposes NXTT to significant downside risk. If Bitcoin prices fall, so will the value of NXTT's holdings and the company's reported profits. NXTT's SaaS operations are also small, with only 6 employees as of March 31st. The loss of any of these employees could disrupt operations. On June 29, 2022, NXTT's board of directors approved a policy to distribute at least 80% of the company's profits as dividends, but it has no payout history to date. NXTT has no analyst coverage, and there are no consensus price targets. Company insiders own about 17% of the shares outstanding, while institutional investors own less than 1%. On the positive side, recent trading volume has been high at 136 million shares, compared with an average of 11 million. From a technical perspective, NXTT's RSI is around 20, which suggests the stock is oversold. Most technical indicators are currently flashing strong sell. According to stockanalysis.com, NXTT has yet to file its first 2 proxy statements, which contain details on a company's board of directors, executive compensation, and other governance matters. Until these are filed, it's impossible to assess corporate governance at this time. NXTT does not appear to have any meaningful supply chain exposure given its business model. There are no notable sustainability metrics or disclosures at this time. NXTT has very limited revenue, so it's impossible to assess customer concentration, churn rates, or other key metrics. On June 29, 2022, NXTT closed a direct offering that raised $9 million in new capital. NXTT has not engaged in any reported mergers or acquisitions of significance. The company operates in a highly cyclical industry, and its profitability is highly dependent on Bitcoin's performance. NXTT's net income is heavily influenced by unrealized gains and losses on Bitcoin, which can be volatile. NXTT's total revenue is only $1.8 million, so seasonality is not apparent. In terms of taxes, NXTT's reported profits are driven by digital asset revaluation, and the company's effective tax rate or adjustments to reported profits for tax purposes are not clear from the available data. With only 6 employees, NXTT faces high labor risks if any of these individuals leave the company. Finally, NXTT has operations in multiple countries, exposing it to different regulatory regimes and crypto-related compliance risks. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more due diligence reports.